Meet MrMiko 2.0, who hacked YouTube Shorts. In 30 days, he got 14 crore views and 3 lakh subs. How? Ask MrMiko, and he might say this.
To be honest, I literally have no idea.
I studied MrMiko's videos and split my notes into 4 parts. You can use these tips to grow your shorts. Tip 1 is my favorite. Tip 4 is key for all shorts. Tip 1. Play with emotions. Take a moment to think of any movie you've watched, perhaps your favorite, and ask yourself if your emotions were consistent from beginning to end. Most of the time, the answer is no. If a movie begins happily, there will be a scene that makes you sad later. Sadness can turn into fear or anger. And finally, something happens. They cheer up again. To sum up, these filmmakers toy with your feelings. I'm sharing this because MrMiko employs this exact pattern in his videos. For instance, I engage with your feelings. In this video, MrMiko engages your emotions with zeal, creating excitement in his videos. But during bubble making, I become a failure at making Miko's bubble on my first try, which changes excitement into disappointment. However, Miko then watches bubble tutorials on YouTube, and ultimately, he produces a big bubble that turns disappointment into happiness. I've viewed many of Miko's videos, and almost all share the same pattern. In brief, if you want to make videos captivating, engage with the viewer's emotions. But you'll create emotions only when someone views your video. For this, MrMiko does something that keeps you watching the entire video. Anyone watching YouTube Shorts has a short attention span. If they find your video even a bit boring, they will click away. There are options from the video. MrMiko uses this special editing. So check out any video of MrMiko. You can use any footage like this in your video. Not at all. That won't happen. You don't need to try hard while watching the video. Reading needs focus. Miko makes his video engaging by tightening the text. Viewers quitting Miko's videos is rare, so he gets full watch time. Editing is good, but a boring idea makes editing useless. This is where tip 3 comes in. Creative video ideas. Not all used an eraser, but no one finished. Everyone charged, but not all. No, not really. Everyone has probably played Google's dinosaur game, but not everyone finished it. In brief, MrMiko incorporates simple elements in his ideas that resonate with the general public. MrMiko adds a twist to it, making it much more interesting. Like everyone has used a favorite call, right? So, what did you do to ring the phone? Overall, do something that the common public does, but add a twist to it. Also, Miko's titles are always less than 50 characters, because they are easy to understand and highly clickable. Now, we reach tape number 4, which is key for shorts creators. And this is the regular flow. How long can a YouTube short be? 15 seconds or 6? At most 6 seconds. How does MrMiko upload daily videos so easily? I don't know MrMiko's precise schedule, but I suspect he does something called batching. Batching on YouTube means recording many videos in one day. If you visit MrMiko's channel, you'll find several consecutive videos featuring him in the same t-shirt. This is because MrMiko shoots not just one, but multiple videos in a day that he planned in advance. For him. For him. For him. For him.